Good morning, students. Hope you had received the syllabus of physical education for unit test first. And in that, first and second chapter has been given. Hope you all are working hard in physical education. And today there will be a revision for chapter number 1, revision part. In that revision, I will give you some MCQs related to chapter and go through all the questions and answers and read your chapter carefully, because in this unit test you are going to have some questions from between the chapters also. So you have to read each and every paragraph of the book, and while checking your work in class section 11C, there are many students in 11C. There are many students that they are not regular in submitting their work, and few you haven't submitted till now. One of them is Avesh Khan. Avesh Khan haven't submitted any work. Abdul, you are not doing, and Tarun Sharma and Harshit Rawat, Akshay and Abhishek Sati, you are not doing your work. Do not think that if you will not submit your work, there will be a problem for you also. While checking your work, I am finding that you are not taking interest in doing physical education work. Otherwise, your name will be given in office for further detail that why you are not doing your work. Now come to lesson number first, changing trend and career in physical education. In this chapter number first, we are doing revision. In this first chapter, I had tried to make you understand the meaning and definition of physical education. What is physical education? And what is the concept of physical education? Concept means the meaning of physical education. The concept of physical education is not new. It has been in our history. We find some ancient game. It means meaning was different to different people, to a different country, state. And philosophers like Socrates, Aristotle, and Plato were of the opinion of physical training is must for the youth. It is very important part of your life. Physical education play an important role in your life. And what is the meaning and definition of physical education? What will be the meaning? Different physical education teacher or different people have different meaning. What H.C. Buck is writing about? He is writing about physical education is a part of general education program. And what are general education program? That's every day we are doing. We are doing every day. Every day we are walking, running, jumping, and doing work which is considered with growth of a child, development and education of a child through medium of big muscles activity. We are using big muscles activity while riding your bicycles. Every day you are riding your bicycles and going to home after school. You are using your big muscles activity. The journal meaning, that is the journal meaning of what Mr. Buck is saying. That is the meaning of physical education. And second is, according to Oberhofer, physical education is the sum of those experiences which come to the. There is one more definition that you should know. According to Central Advisory and Board of Physical Education and Recreation, this is the form and it is writing about a physical education. Physical education is education. Physical education itself is a complete education. It is education through which physical activities for development of total personality of a child to its fullness. Total personality. In that total personality, we generally, when we are studying about physical education, we think that we may are playing, we are involved in games, but there are certain aspects of physical education also. There are, in general words, I would like to say that there are many branches of physical education also that develop the personality of a child, and one of them is a lifestyle. In that lifestyle, later on you will come to know, there is a chapter about a paragraph what a lifestyle. In that lifestyle, it comes about your eating habits, your personality, how you behave in a society. All these things make a word that is called personality. So this is the some of the definitions of physical education. Aim and objective of physical education. What is the aim? Aim can be one and objectives can be many. Always there is one aim and objectives can be so many. Many objectives can be there. The aim of physical education is development of an individual. Wholesome development. In that, all the areas is covered. You should be physically fit, mentally fit, socially fit, and emotionally balanced. Wholesome development. We are talking about personality. One of the biggest factor of physical education. It can be said that aim of physical education is a complete living. Is a complete living through physical education. I had told you that you should be balanced in every field of your life. It is said that the aim is one but the objectives may be many. So this is the aim of physical education. In general words, wholesome development of an individual is the aim of physical education, and this aim can be achieved step by step. You cannot achieve this aim in a one day. You need a complete many years to achieve the importance or the aim of physical education. Now we came to objective of physical education. We had seen the aim. Now we move to objective. Physical development is one of the important objective because we are dealing with physical education. So it is natural that physical development should be there. The foremost objective of physical education is physical development. How we can develop our physical body? By doing exercise, by doing any physical activity related to our big muscles. Mental development. The object is related to the mental development of an individual. How we can develop our mental abilities. Recently, I taught you about the yoga. We can take help of yoga. Yoga is also another important part of physical education. So we can help in development of our mental abilities like concentration. Concentrating in something helps to increase by doing yoga. Social development. This objective is related to the development of social traits because we are playing in a team, and in that team we have different kinds of your friends. You develop their social interaction with them, and if you are good you become like a leader, and leader leads a team in a better way. Emotional development. And what are emotions? Emotions are our hope, jealousy, hate, fear, and distress. These are the emotions that we are having. The emotional development of an individual is also the major objective of physical education. In this, we learn how to control it, how to control our emotions. Development of health. The development of health is an objective of physical education. It educates on the prevention of communicable disease. How we can prevent ourselves? By washing our hands, by being hygienic, by wearing clean clothes. Our nails should be short. While before eating, we should wash our hands. These are the few examples related to development of our health. Now the next heading is various physical education courses available in India. You know, bachelor's degree just after your plus 2, you have 3 years of doing your bachelor's degree. That is BA physical education, bachelor's in physical education, BSc physical education and sports. We have diploma courses. That diploma courses is mostly related to yoga, diploma in yoga. Certificate course. The bachelor's degree in physical education is usually of 3 to 4 years, and certificate courses are there. Certificate course in yoga and science. After that, we are having postgraduate program in the field are designed to provide further development in skills of a student who have learned physical education bachelor degree program, and that is master degree, MA yoga, masters in physical education, and MPhil physical education. These are some of the master's degree and bachelor's degree that we are having various courses available in our country. Go through it, and there are some MCQs I am going to give you for your revision work for unit test 1.